Cite While You Write for Windows, adding citations to a Word document. You can search your EndNote library from within Word using the Insert Citation button. Place your cursor where you want to add a citation. Click on the quotation mark in the top part of the Insert Citation button. In the window displayed, enter a word, or set of words, that are anywhere in the record you want to locate. For this example, I will search for all records containing tool. Note that it will find all records containing tool within longer words, such as tools, as well as the word tool itself. Enter the search term, then click the Find button or press the Enter key. EndNote searches all open libraries and brings up a list of records that contain the search term. A library must be open in EndNote for EndNote to search it from Word. At the bottom right of the window you see the number of records found. When you select a reference in the list, you will see the details of that reference in the lower part of the window. To insert a reference in your paper, select the reference or references. Click on the small arrow on the Insert button to see options for formatting citations. Select your preferred option from the drop-down list. The reference will be inserted in your paper and the citation and bibliography will be instantly formatted. Another way to add references to your paper is to select them in your EndNote library, then insert them in your Word document using a combination of the Go to EndNote command and the Insert Citations command. Place your cursor where you want to insert the citation. Click on the Go to EndNote button. This command takes you to the EndNote program and displays the active library. Select a reference or set of references to insert. If you wish to insert multiple references, hold down the Control key while selecting the references. With the references selected, select the Insert Citation button on the EndNote toolbar. You are returned to Word and the references are inserted at the cursor location. Once again, the bibliography and citation are instantly formatted.